Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to make a cartoon picture from ToonApp. First, you need to search ToonApp in the App Store. Press download. Once it's downloaded, go in. There will be an add button. Choose add photo. Then pick any photo you want to turn into a cartoon. See, this photo is now a cartoon. There's many filters you could use for this photo. As you can see, there's these kind of filters. I like the normal filter. Now you have a save image. Go back to your Photos app and it will be there saved. The ToonApp logo will still be there. You need to have a free trial to get that removed. Let's do the same with some other photos. Look, see, this is now a cartoon. This is Ty from Dude Perfect. Now let's make MrBeast's photo a cartoon. See, now it's a cartoon. This is a very easy way to turn your pictures into a cartoon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.